Thank you very much, y'all. Thank you so much, y'all.
Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, Luke Rides. Luke Rides is back. So what you're going to learn here today is purely how to remove the old oil filter from your air filter from your Ducati S2R 1000 Super Naked. Let's hit it.
It's showtime.
Oil filter, as you can probably see, it's quite badly corroded. And it's a type that doesn't have a nut on the bottom, which we can undo. So we're going to need some specialist tools here. We've got to use a tool like this. This tool is designed to be adjustable. So you can either loosen it off to make this band wider, and then you tighten it down on the oil filter. Once you're happy, you're locked into place. This gives you the grip that you need to undo this oil filter on the Super Naked, which is not very accessible. Well, it's accessible, it's just getting a tool on here. Keep going until you've got it as tight as you can. Remember, lefty loosey. So as we're undoing, and that's not tight enough because this bugger's corroded really badly. So, lefty loosey, when you're undoing, see this tool is set to undo. See how the ratchet is moving that way? That means that way, because it's when the ratchet's not clicking, that's the direction of movement of the ratchet. You're happy you got that, you know you need to push this tool that away. So, assuming it can grip oil filter, which is struggling to do at the moment. Let's try it. Come on. It's undoing. Okay, once you've got it undone, loosen off the tension, like so. This is where it gets messy, because you should be able to now unwind the oil filter by hand. Readjust your derrick accordingly, because it's just about to spew oil everywhere, even on the cylinders. Yuck. That's disgusting. Organise your tools and keep them all together. And that is your oil filter removed. And it's black and rusty and disgusting. It even looks disgusting in there. Yikes. So, thanks for watching everybody at Luke Rides. It's nice that the old air filter is fairly easy to remove, and then once you put the top box on and those clips down, then pop the fuel tank down, put the rear seat unit back in, you're done. It's that easy, and it's nice that we removed the old air filter because it was looking pretty tight. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.
The way we...
The little rascal has spirit. Has water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, kid.
needs a signature copy. Oh yeah.